Today we're doing a quick and dirty episode from one of my favorite New York bars. So today's sponsor is Caldera Lab, and their best-selling product is called The Good. It is a face serum. It is very easy to use. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. You just put a little bit on your hand like so. I took like that. Smells really good. It's kind of like eucalyptus, kind of citrusy scent, and that's it. I don't know. Do I look a little more glowing, Marius? Caldera Lab creates high-performance men's self-care products using pharmaceutical-grade science, natural ingredients, and sustainable business practice, which has been a really big thing on Barfly lately. We've been talking a lot about sustainability. It's very important to me, and it should be important to you as well. So typically you'll see results in about 60 days, and honestly, there's really no downside because it is protected with a 100% money-back guarantee. If in that time it doesn't work for you or you don't like the product, you can return it, no questions asked, and get a 100% refund. So stop what you're doing right now and go to calderalab.com/barfly for a 20% off discount, or go to calderalab.com and type in code barfly for that same 20% discount and start your journey to healthier skin. Or you can just click the link below. First things first, prep your tin.
Why?
Well, actually, first things first, make tribal limes with this guy. All right, then prep your tin. Why prep your tin? Because we are going to cut a lime wedge here, like so. And we're gonna toss the lime wedge into the tin, and we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Now, a lot of you guys might be asking why I would put a lime wedge in there and then also put lime juice in there. And the reason is because we are going to muddle this lime wedge and express the oils from the peel so you get that nice three-dimensional flavor. So literally we're putting like a little under an ounce of lime juice in there, along with all of those nice vibrant oils. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce of 2-to-1 Demerara syrup. 3/4 ounce of gold rum. I'm using the Merchant's Reserve. 3/4 ounce of Giffard banana, or any other banana liqueur. And we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Cognac, 1/4 ounce of Rhum Agricole. It was a very heaping 1/4 ounce, but that's okay. And you know what we're gonna do here? We're gonna
Smash the like button?
Nope, we're gonna
Subscribe?
we're gonna put a little,
Ice cubes? In there?
yeah, but a little, come on, man, you don't really know. We're gonna put a little, come on.
Smash pants?
No, we're gonna put a little
Pebbles?
skosh of ice.
Okay.
Come on, man, you don't know that we say a little skosh of ice by now? Come on. Give it a nice whip shake. Feel free to shake it until all the ice is completely melted, or mostly melted anyway. We're gonna kind of do this a little bit differently because I'm not actually dumping. This actually has to be strained because we don't want the lime in there. So we're straining because it's a pebble ice cocktail. You don't really need to double strain. You just pour it right over like so. Give it a nice snow cap like we do. Like I'm making a mess with the mint here. Nice mint sprig, slappy pants, and then crushy poo. Crush it all over like so. And put that mint sprig in there. Like voila, and then choose the most interesting one. Which is the most interesting one? Oh, that's interesting. What do you think? Definitely not this one. This is very uninteresting. This one, this guy's the guy. All right, we got our little tribal lime and we're gonna put it here like so. So this cocktail is called the Fay Wray, which when I first saw the name, I was like, yes, another cocktail with Wray and Nephew, and it doesn't actually have Wray and Nephew in it at all. Not sure why it's called the Fay Wray, but. Ooh, yeah, really nice. Very limey. It's like if lime candies were infused into Jamaican rum, and then you have those grassy, even that little bit of Rhum Agricole really makes all the difference, even with very, very flavorful rum. You can still get those kind of grassy notes from the Rhum Agricole. It's really nice. Very, very refreshing, very lime forward. You get all of those Jamaican kind of funk vibes from the Jamaican rum. The mint provides a nice little mint pop on your nostrils when you're drinking it. It's so good. Yeah, I love it. Oh, this is really good. So this cocktail was created by a bartender named Matthew Bellanger for one of our favorite bars in New York City. Marius and I went to there. There's a little trivia for Marius. Let's see if he can remember the bar. We went there. We loved it.
Yeah.
It closed since COVID, and the Broncolata came from it.
Yeah, Donna.
Donna! Now, unfortunately, it closed due to COVID. Donna was in the, what neighborhood in Brooklyn was it? It was like Williamsburg. Is it Williamsburg?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was the Williamsburg neighborhood of Brooklyn. We had a fantastic, I was so happy that when we went to New York a couple of years ago, it was like right before the pandemic, I had just become aware of the Broncolata. I really wanted to try it. We went to Donna. We found out that they had the Broncolata on a slushy machine. So I was like, yep, gonna have that. We had some very nice drinks. The pandemic happened, and then Donna closed down, which is horrible. But their drinks live on. Mm-hmm. So there you have it, the Fay Wray. That was funny though, I'm glad I caught myself. All right, we're doing a quarter of an ounce of, I'm gonna do this again. The Anti-Steve. Is that the Anti-Steve?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, just you being yourself is the Anti-Steve.
Oh, fuck off. I am a nice guy. A quarter of an ounce of 2-to-1.
What is that? It's not honey syrup?
No, it is honey syrup, but we don't want honey syrup. Liqueur, but you can also use the Tempest Fugit if you like, or any other I almost said Batanga. Today we're doing a quick and dirty episode from one of my... Yeah, they're a little stubby, yeah. Yep. Link below. All right.